So, the question given is, given X and Y are two events with the following probabilities. Probability X is given 2/7. Probability X given Y prime equals to 3/7. And probability X intersect with Y equals to 1/21. So, the first question is, find probability X union with Y. For this question, we must first build the Venn diagram. X and Y. So here, X intersect with Y is 1/21. So the question wants us to find Px union with Y. So to find Px union with Y, probability X plus probability Y minus probability X intersect with Y. So here we get probability X given in the question. Probability X intersect with Y is given. So we don't have probability Y. To find probability Y, here given probability X given Y prime. So to find the probability Y, we must first find probability Y prime. So the question gives Px given Y prime. So we can find Px given Y prime equals to Px intersect Y prime equal to Py probability Y prime. So we can find probability Y prime. Probability X intersect Y prime we can find in this Venn diagram. Probability X intersect Y prime is equals to probability X intersect with Y prime. This is Y prime. X intersect Y prime. So here, to find here, 2/7 minus 1/21. Probability X minus with probability X intersect with Y prime. So we get the answer is 5/21. So 5/21, 3/7 is probability Y prime. So we get probability Y prime is equals to 5/9. So we want here is probability Y. To get probability Y, is 1 minus probability Y prime. 1 minus 5/9 is equals to 4/9. So now we can find probability X union with Y. Probability X given 2/7 plus probability Y is 4/9 minus probability X intersect with Y is 1/21. So we get the answer is 43/63. That's all.
So the next question is, determine whether X and Y are independent events. So the formula is P X intersect Y equals to P X multiplied by P Y. So we already have the value for P X intersect Y, which is 1/21, and the value for Px is 2/7, and value for Py is 4/9, and we calculate px multiplied by py, and we will get the value x over 63. And the value is not the same. Since px intersect y is not the same with px multiplied by py, so the two events are not independent.
(3b) The probability for a person in a certain village being infected by COVID-19 virus is 0.7. A total of 20% of the people who have been infected by the COVID-19 virus are free from any symptom, while the total of 10% of those who are not infected do show the symptoms of COVID-19 virus. 1. Construct a contingency table for the events. For the question B1, we must draw a contingent table, and we fill the table with has symptom. We label as S, and no symptom. We label as S prime, and for infected, we label as I. For not infected, we label as I prime. A total of 20% of the people who have been infected by the COVID-19 virus are free from any symptoms. To get the probability for got infected and has no symptom, we multiply 20% with 0.7, and we get 0.14. To get the probability for got infected and has symptom, we minus 0.7 with 0.14, and we get 0.56. For the probability for not infected and has symptom, in the question has stated that 10% of those who are not infected do show the symptoms of COVID-19 virus. So to get the probability for not infected and has symptom, we multiply 10% with 0.3. How we get 0.3? We know that probability for infected is 0.7, so we minus 1 with 0.7 to get the probability for not infected. So we get the probability for not infected has symptom is 0.03. And to get the probability for not infected and has no symptom, we minus 0.3 with 0.03, and we get 0.27. We total up all the information, and we get 0.7, 0.3, 0.59, 0.41, and total of the probability is 1.0. Question 3b2. What is the probability that a villager is free from any symptoms? To get probability S prime, we divide it 41 with 100, and we get 0.41.
So the next question is, a villager has been tested and is free from any symptoms. What is the probability that he has not been infected by COVID-19? So free from any symptoms is S prime, and not being infected by COVID-19 is I prime. For this question, we have to find P I prime given S prime equal to P I prime intersect S prime over P S prime. Okay, from the value we get from the table above, the value for P I prime intersect S prime is 0.27 over 0.41 for P S prime, and we calculate and get the answer 0.369.